All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to count words in an Emacs buffer. So I have this short story I've written here in this buffer, and let's say I want to get a word count. I can do Alt-X and type in the command count-words. I'll hit enter, and you'll see here it says buffer has 3 lines, 2 sentences, 123 words, and 628 characters. So it shows up right down here in this mini buffer down here. Now let's say I want to do a shortcut for that. Let me do Control-G just to quit out of that. I'm going to do just Alt and the equal sign. So Alt equals, and it brings up the same thing. The region has 3 lines, 2 sentences, 123 words, and 628 characters. Okay, so those are 2 short ways to do it. The Alt equals is the fastest way, but you can also do Alt-X count-words and get your word count really quick when you're writing in Emacs. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe. It's free to do, and it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching.